Amazing Khao Tao. Just 15 minutes south of Hua Hin. It has it all. Mountains, beautiful beach, great cafes and restaurants. And today we're going to walk around its very beautiful lake. Start of walk. 10,000 steps to go.
I look for a verse that I can't
It's quite humid.
When I go to reach it, just leaves my mind. Waking with no.
Along the way, we'll check out some really great cafes and restaurants that are situated right on the lake. And at the end of the video, we've got a great rental penthouse to show you. Lake Khao Cafe. There's a pathway to it, just through there. So we've been living in the Khao Tao area for quite a few months now, and I really thought that we had pretty much sussed everything in the area. And it's a very, very beautiful area. It's surrounded by hills and mountains. But anyway, we came across this cafe right on Khao Tao Lake. And if you're not careful, it's very easy to go past on the road because it's just a little dirt track that leads to it. And it looks as if it's quite popular. There we go. Lock Camp. Sawadee Cap. How we have coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee cap? Yeah, we go here.
Coffee here.
Yeah, coffee cap. So just have a quick look around and then we're going to have a coffee here. And it's quite a beautiful place. Actually, right next door to this place is a cafe called 101, and it's all set up for selfies. It's worth a visit just to take a look at the place. Sawadee Cap. But here we go. There's a fun area for the kids. Look, there's a bit of a zip wire thing happening here. And here's Khao Tao Lake. So, okay, let's go and get a coffee. Maybe try out some of the food. Maybe a coffee and cake, that sounded pretty good. So here's the restaurant area. You can obviously use in the cafe as well. Open sesame. I'm not sure what San Certified means, but we'll go and take a look at the menu in the cafe. Open sesame. We ordered a cappuccino, New York cheesecake, and a latte. Never had strawberry jam with cheesecake. The coffees are very good. And the New York cheesecake is excellent. And that's the 101 Cafe. It's a favourite place for people that are into selfies. Right, so we're at Memory House, which is right on Lake Khao Tao. Get pronunciation right, and it's Khao Tao, a selfie paradise.
I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection. I will walk on glass. I will run 10,000 miles and more with my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it all again. If you needed me to, wish that I could take away your pain like sunbeams in the rain. Oh, we're family. Wherever you go, I'll follow. Whatever you do, I'll handle. I will walk on glass. I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it
Here's
all
the...
again.
Oh, there we go. Look, you can choose an outfit, get all dressed up. Oh, I'm tempted. Okay. What else do they do here?
Sunday, backseat tune, pair of bluebirds pick around on the roof. Mother Earth holding
Very much of
sun
development
in your hair.
going on.
Wind is
Hopefully not too much.
steady on your face, breathing in cold air. What if you made me know all that you know? Give a hug of you. What if I made you know all that I know? That this could happen to you. This could happen to you.
Fair amount of development happening down this end of the lake. Turtle-topped lampposts There's a resort not far from here called Turtle Bay Resort. That's quite good. It's got a good restaurant. It's Khao Tao Market today, so we'll pop in and get some things. We do a lot of our food shopping in the local markets. Produce is fresh and it's a lot cheaper than going to the supermarket. This dog sounds a little bit upset. This is the coon place. Oh, that's why the dog's barking. It's the dog there it doesn't like. Now this coon place is good for it's a good cafe and it's sort of like a health spa. Certainly worth checking out. Let's go and have a look. Also do breakfast. Glad cap. I'll have to ask about what it's all about. I like this place very much. So it's right on Khao Tao Lake. Here's the little shop. This is Lex.
Hello.
Lex is going to tell us about some of the treatments here.
Yeah.
What exactly is kun?
Kun means multiply in Thai. So we're multiplying different energies. So for the products we have the aromatherapy oils with crystals. And here we're multiplying the power of nature and we're adding wellness side to it.
Okay. So the kun area, which I just walked past,
Right.
is that where you go to do the multiplying? How do you do that?
Oh, it's just the energy. So
Right.
we're multiplying energies. Different people come doing different things to make the other people better.
I see.
Like upwards, multiplying.
I sort of understand that. So if I wanted to multiply myself,
Right.
would I go to that area there?
We have a lot of activities here. So I believe the area you're speaking about is the part that we have an infrared sauna
Yes.
and the ice bath.
Ah,
So that's like the kind of bonus side of this part of this place.
right.
And then we've got the resting areas like the hammock and underneath the trees that you can just relax and rest.
Okay.
And so that's ice bath sauna is like reset, recharge, reboost.
Okay.
And then we have other activities like singing bowls, sound bath, vibroacoustic. So we're using the power of frequencies of sound, of music, the science of that to heal us as well.
Oh, how amazing is that? And approximately, if I wanted to do an ice bath, sauna,
Right.
how much would that cost?
350 baht per each.
Oh, that sounds like a really good
Or you
deal.
can do a day pass at 600 baht. So all day, multiple times, you can go in and out, however you want.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, we'll be down here for sure. Do you have a cafe here?
Yes. So we do serve some food, some drinks, and we're also right next to the popular Khao Tao Reservoir. It's popular for people coming to exercise, walk around,
Yeah.
run around, morning and evening. So we have some breakfast, good coffee to serve that side, taking a long time.
So are you from Thailand?
I'm half Thai, yes.
Yeah? You speak very good English.
Thank you.
What's the other half?
English.
Oh, you're from English. Which part of England are you from?
I was born in Bristol, but I grew up in Bangkok.
This is where the idea started
Yes,
for Kun, and it's multiplying the crystals
with aromatherapy oil.
with aromatherapy oil. Wow. And there we go, look. How interesting. It's quite humid. Certainly need to hydrate. And after the walk, 3 times round the lake, I'm exhausted actually, more so than I would if I'd walked along the beach. But anyway, this is Khao Tao Wednesday market. There's 2 markets a week, I think. Wednesdays and Sundays. Quite a good market, this. So Cap, I'll come back. You get to know the people quite well when you're a regular. They're very sweet. Now I think this is the market to come to if you want fish. They've got both sea and fresh water fish. This is all sea fish. And this fish is straight off the boat. Pork is a good price here. Pork and chicken. Certainly not beef. All sorts of exotic fruits. There we go, I think he's cooking up some fish there. Whole bunch of bananas, 35 baht. Aroy, aroy, aroy. Oh, yummy. I'll come back, huh?
จากเชื้อฟ้าที่มีอันนั้นเขา100 ล้านใช่ไหมของเรา ต้องบอกว่า10,000 กว่าล้านทั่วประเทศถึงคนไทยที่ใช้ไม่ได้ใช้ในทุกวันนี้คือใครเป็นผู้เลือกเลยนะคะดูเรื่องการเลือกนะคะ
I want to buy a dog, parrot. You get it all here.
เอาไปดูเพลินๆเผื่อใครสนใจคุณแม่ด้านนี้ได้เลยค่ะพิเศษเลยค่ะ
Number 1, I'd say. Yeah.
Huge Khao Tao, 355 square meter, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, penthouse apartment for rent. Less than 15 minutes from Hua Hin and 5 minutes from beach.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my videos and would like to support the channel, I'd be truly grateful if you bought me a coffee. Every bit of support helps and means a lot.
Let's let your words agree with how your actions